This is your daily news anchor, Jason Myers, with your up-to-date news. There has been some commotion concerning our neighborhood. This news segment, we will have 6 field reporters commenting on the epidemic plaguing our community. The 6 reporters are followed as Carrie Annabelle and the Children of Corn Park, Calypso at Rosewood Cemetery, Count Dracula at Westside Forest, Hannibal Lecter at the scene of an automobile accident, and Dr. Jigsaw and Dr. Jekyll at Beechworth Lunatic Asylum. Now to Carrie Annabelle.
During the fall, you may notice how the leaves on a tree turn from dark green to yellow or red. Do you know why this happens? Let me explain. During the spring and summer, plants produce their own food with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives plants their green color. When the weather changes, the amount of chlorophyll produced by the tree decreases. This causes the leaves to lose their green color. The leaves turn yellow when a substance called carotenoid is present. If the tree is able to produce anthocyanins, the leaves will turn red. Reporting live in Children of the Corn Park, I'm Carrie Annabelle. Now to Calypso in Rosewood Cemetery.
Here in Rosewood Cemetery, the colors we see are being reflected. Every other color is being absorbed. For example, the orange pumpkin you see is absorbing every other color except for orange. This color is being reflected. This is true about all light spectrums except black and white. Black absorbs every other color, and white is what we see in the absence of color. The rainbow you see is an example of all visible colors being reflected. Reporting live, I am Calypso with Studio B at WCTV. Now to Count Dracula in Westside Forest.
Other activities during fall bonfires. It's starting to get cool and there's nothing better than the feel of a warm orange flame. Do you know why the flame is orange? This is because the wavelength is 590 to 620 nanometers. When electrons go to smaller energy levels, they emit energy. This energy is called photon. Photons are colored. Different wavelength means it's a different color. So next time you and your friends are having a bonfire, you can explain why the flame is orange. Now to Hannibal Lecter at the scene of an accident.
A fire truck blinks red lights all around. Because of this color, wavelength of red is about 650 nanometers. Also, the element strontium burns red when it is put in fire. As the element copper burns, it burns blue. The wavelength of the color blue is 475 nanometers. Now to Dr. Jigsaw and Dr. Jekyll.
Due to a recent string of murders and zombies in our community, we've been asked to give you a report on blood to educate you on what we see every day. The blood that is on my white coat and the blood that is on the walls behind me is from an earlier victim that was human. This blood is red because of its makeup of hemoglobin and its subunits called hemes. The iron-filled hemes give blood its bright red color when oxygenated and its dark red color when deoxygenated. Now Dr. Jekyll will explain our next patient.
The patient you see on the bed is a zombie whose blood is green. Green blood is chemically similar to red blood, but it contains chlorocrurin as well as hemoglobin. The chlorocrurin gives the zombie's deoxygenated blood a light green color and its oxygenated blood a darker green color. Now back to Jason Myers in Studio 13 so we can finish sawing our new victim.
Now that you know about the chemistry of colors and without the chemistry behind these colors, the world we see today would be boring and colorless. Thank you for tuning in to Studio 13 at WCTV.